Hi, I'm Steve Auslander. I teach fifth grade in Indianapolis, Indiana, in the United States, and I'm so excited to teach you how to play virtual Dreidel. Dreidel is a game played during Hanukkah. Dreidel is a four-sided top, and it celebrates the great miracle that happened thousands of years ago when the Jews of Israel were able to defeat the Greek army that invaded Israel and tried to take over and force the Jews to give up their religion. In fact, the Jews of Israel defeating this powerful army, it was a miracle because we were such a smaller army in Israel. Also, after the Jews of Israel were able to defeat the Greek army, they only had enough oil to last for one night. They would light oil in a candelabra like this. This is called a menorah. And the oil only should have lasted one night, but it lasted for 8 nights. And so they said a great miracle happened there. And a dreidel has 4 sides. Each side has a different Hebrew letter. Nun for nes, gadol, gimel for gadol, hey for haya, shin for sham, which together means a great miracle happened there. And when we play today, everyone's going to get a chance to spin a dreidel. This is a dreidel spin. This is a hey, which would stand for getting 1 point. In connecting it to climate change, it would mean a good outcome like planting trees. The next class would spin. This time, that class spun a gimel. That would be worth 2 points, which would be a very excellent climate change outcome like starting solar power plants or wind energy plants. If you were to spin a shin, that's really bad. That would be minus 1 point. That would be for having more carbon emissions. And a nun, that would be 0 points. That would basically mean you did nothing to change the way things are going with climate change. We're going to do 8 rounds and keep track of the total points. And if any class, if 3 shins are spun, everyone goes back to 0 because it basically means that it affects the whole world. We all suffer when there's a problem with climate change. Hope that makes sense. Thank you.